Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to the Members Trade of the Week. There were many possibilities, but sit back and relax and let me show you the best one that Pat G from Canada showed us this week. Quite a few of our members had excellent trades this week. Some folks made money on earnings, the FOMC statement, but Pat G from Canada traded multiple setups on the US jobs report. He had a gold trade in the upper left, he had the oil setup in the bottom left, and he was trading bonds on the right. He made well over $1,600 trading three of our setups. Every setup worked. Gold exploded to the downside and it made him multiple hundreds of dollars. Bonds also exploded to the downside. Oil pulled down. When the trade was over, Pat had over $1,600 in his account, more than when he started. Here's a nice screenshot. $1,600, real money, live trading. Let me show it to you again. Upper left, gold explodes down, money is made. Bottom left, oil shoots down, money is made. Bottom right, bonds shoot down, money is made. Over $1,600 trading multiple setups for Pat G from Canada. Congratulations, Pat, and we'll see you in the trade room next week. Maybe you can be next week's Trader of the Week.